Hello everyone, welcome to Training Specialists. We specialize in QA training both online and offline in real class settings. I'll be your main instructor. I have been working as a QA for over 10 years now, and I've been teaching these courses for over 8 years. So in this presentation, I will take you rather quickly through what the course offering is, and then at the end we're going to ask if there are any questions, so we can take questions at that time. So the typical duration of the course is 4 weeks, and it can be done either weekends or during the weekdays. There's gonna be classes which say they can do it quicker in 2 weeks or even less, but in my experience, you do need the 4 weeks to take the course because you need to work on the latest tools out there. You need hands-on experience. So typically, the course will last 4 weeks. I will share my contact information with you. I will give you my email and my cell phone number. So if you have any questions at any time, you are free to email me or call me. Now, this course is really job oriented. This is not a super theoretical course where we're going to teach you about the theory of QA or project management as an example. The point of this course is to get you a job. So our course is really focused on giving you enough theory and also the practical aspect of a QA's job. The best part is there are no prerequisites. We welcome people from any backgrounds. Actually, people who come from non-technical IT backgrounds tend to do really, really well in our classes. And even as when they transfer over and they actually do get a job, we've had a high success rate and people just love their performance. What we'll also teach you is confidence, and that will come as when you work on real-time QA project, which we're going to do together. We're going to have some scenarios and some real projects, and this is very important because when you actually go for interviews, you need to be able to give specific examples on things you've done. So that's where it's really important to work on these QA projects because this will ultimately build your confidence. And on the industry tools. We're going to teach you the tools which 80% of the companies use these, and that's very important to when you go in the interview to say you've worked on it. So you will have hands-on training on those tools. Also very, very important is resume preparation because the point of this course is to get your job. So we work with you one-on-one. We'll take a look at your resumes and curtail it so that you get a QA resume so you're able to present that and market it out. We'll also work with you on interview preparation. So we have a database of frequently asked questions for a QA. So we're gonna run mock interviews with you, and we're gonna ask you questions, and we're gonna emulate the interviewee scenario, and then we're gonna run through those, and that will also build your confidence. And we have a good network of recruiters we work with. Once your resume is ready, you've taken the course and you're ready to make a leap towards getting that new job, we will start marketing your resume. Also, if at any point if you wish to retake the course again, you're more than welcome to do so. If there's something which is not clear or you want to brush up on a particular aspect of, say, SDLC or user training, you can always come back to us. Again, also on the job support. So once you do land that nice job, if you have any questions, if you're stuck for up to 6 months, we provide you technical assistance. Any questions you have, you're free to email us or call us. And so here's the QA course outline. It just gives you very briefly what we're going to cover in terms of the theory of the QA course. So there's going to be a brief introduction where we're going to go through the general concepts like the general testing concept, the applications, SDLC, the business requirement documents, etc., etc. So I don't want to go through all this. This will ultimately make sense once we go through the course. We're also going to teach you the testing strategies, plans, scenarios, cases, scripts, the different techniques such as white box, black box testing. This is all important because you need to know these terms when you go for an interview because you need to be able to speak the language of the interviewer. Also testing type like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and the bug and defect reporting process. These are key terms you have to be able to use and leverage in your interview. Also, when you do have the job, you need to know what those terms mean. Also, we're going to teach you some SQL. Now, more and more jobs are asking for QA to have some experience with with SQL. So here's where we come in. We're going to give you the basic overview of it so you can say you've worked on it. And some of the tools we're going to teach are QC, QTP, and load runner. These are tools which are used, and bug tracker as well. These are tools which are used by 80% of the companies these days, including Snagit. So our course is quite comprehensive in that you're going to have hands-on training on all these on all these tools. Thank you.